In last session, we had started with a new topic, health planning in India. We had seen about National Health Policy, first National Health Policy of 1983, next the National Health Policy of 2002 and the objectives of NHP 2002. We will move on to the goals of National Health Policy 2002. The first goal is eradication of polio and yos by the year of 2005. The second goal is elimination of leprosy by the year of 2005. Third one is elimination of Kala Azar, it is a disease condition, communicable disease, by the year of 2010. Fourth one is elimination of lymphatic filariasis by the year of 2015. Fifth one is achieve of zero level growth of HIV and AIDS by the year of 2007. मतलब क्या है? HIV और AIDS का डिसीज प्रिवेलेंस जीरो लेवल ग्रोथ होना चाहिए by the year of 2007. The sixth goal of NHP 2002 is reduction of mortality by 50% on account of tuberculosis, malaria and other vector and waterborne diseases by the year of 2010. Next, seventh one is reduce the prevalence of blindness to 0.5% by the year of 2010. Eighth one is reduction of IMR. What is IMR? It is infant mortality rate to 30 out of 1000 and MMR to 100 out of lakhs. What is MMR? Maternal mortality rate. So, there should be a reduction in infant mortality rate and maternal mortality rate by the year of 2010 in the given specific statistics. Ninth one is increase the utilization of public health facilities from current level of less than 20% to more than 75% by the year of 2010. 2002 में less than 20% public health facilities use कर रहा था, utilization उतना ही था. So by the year of 2010 it should be increased by more than 75%. The 10th one is establishment of an integrated system of surveillance, national health accounts and health statistics by the year of 2007. 11th one is increase the health expenditure by government as a 0% of GDP from the existing 0.9% to 2.0% by the year of 2010. 12th one is increase the share of central grants to constitute at least 25% of total health spending by the year of 2010. 13. Increase state sector health spending from 5.5% to 7% of the budget by the year of 2005. 14. Further increase of state sector health spending from 7% to 8% by the year of 2010. So, till now we have seen what is National Health Policy of 1983 and 2002 and the objectives and goals of National Health Policy of 2002. So, we will move on to the delivery of National Public Health Programs. National Public Health Programs जो है उसका delivery कैसे होता है. NHP 2002 envisages the gradual convergence of all health programs under a single field administration. So NHP 2002 क्या इंट्रोड्यूस किया है, जो भी हेल्थ प्रोग्राम्स है वो सब ग्रेजुअली एक सिंगल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के नीचे लेके आना चाहिए. ठीक है, तो NHP 2002 इंट्रोड्यूसेस gradual convergence of all health programs under a single administration. Next, it suggests for a scientific designing of public health projects suited to the local situation. जो local situation के लिए जो भी suitable health projects है उसका scientific designing होना चाहिए. Next, training and reorientation of रूरल हेल्थ स्टाफ. रूरल एरिया में जो भी हेल्थ स्टाफ काम कर रही है, मतलब आशा वर्कर होता है, आंगनवाड़ी वर्कर, लोकल दाइस, हेल्थ वर्कर्स और हेल्थ सुपरवाइजर्स, वो सबका ट्रेनिंग और रीओरिएंटेशन देना है. Therefore, the policy places reliance on strengthening of public health outcomes on equitable basis. So NHP 2002 किस में एम्फसाइज कर रहे हैं और किसमें उसका इम्पोर्टेंस दे रहे हैं, पब्लिक हेल्थ सर्विस सबको इक्वल अमाउंट में और इक्वल बेसिस में मिलना है. देन इट रिकॉग्नाइज द नीड ऑफ यूजर चार्ज फॉर सेकेंडरी एंड टर्शरी पब्लिक हेल्थ केयर फॉर दोस हु कैन अफोर्ड टू पे. मतलब पब्लिक हेल्थ सेक्टर को भी हम इम्पोर्टेंस देना है, जिसको पे करने के लिए, मतलब बिल पे करने के लिए ताकत है, उसको प्राइवेट सेक्टर यूज करने का चांसेस मिलना है. ठीक है, दैट इज नथिंग बट इन्वॉल्वमेंट ऑफ प्राइवेट हेल्थ सेक्टर्स. सो इन दिस सेक्शन, by these two sections we had continued the national health policy of 1983 and 2002, the goals, objectives and how the health programs should be delivered, or what is the national health policy 2002 say. 2002 का national health policy किस में emphasize कर रहे हैं. I hope everyone understood the topic clearly. National Health Policy 2002 and 1983. If you have any doubt, you can clear at any time. Thank you.